Hello, hi, welcome to Geet's collection. This is Geeta Suresh. First of all, I wish everyone happy Pongal and happy Shankranti. So, I know you all are very busy in festival. So, just have taken assorted saris just to see it. Enjoy the live. And those who are watching the live, please like, share, and inform to your friends and families. So we'll start the show. Okay. The first sari. This is a pure Banaras sari. It's very beautiful color. First sari itself. It's green. It's very lovely green and a navy blue border. Okay. There's the sari, entire sari. How it looks. Either side they have given the upper part, they have given the small border, and down they have given the big border. Okay, so I will show you the entire sari view. See, this is the sari. Look. Okay, so this is the sari. The body is green color and they have given the design here. Okay, golden thread they are weaved here. Okay, and this is the navy blue border, and this is the silver border they have given. In the silver thread they have woven is the peacock and see, I think you can able to see the design. Okay, so they have given the leaves, peacock. Okay, this is the silver jerry woven, and the entire body looks like this, and this is the pallu. Okay, and blouse will be jacquard. Okay, this is the blouse, and this is the sari number 1, and the price is 2250. Okay, 2250, sari number 1. So those who need, have pinned my WhatsApp number. Just take a screenshot and come to WhatsApp. This is the sari number 1. So we'll move on to next sari. This is the sari number 2. Peachish pink. It's very lovely color. This one, it's a peachish pink, and this is a jute silk. This is a jute silk sari. So just I'll show this. It's very soft texture, and easy to drape, easy to maintain. And first wash would be a dry wash. Okay, this is the entire sari. This is the okay, and the body part, it's full peachish color, and they have given thread woven motifs. Okay, I think you can see this is the thread woven motifs, and the bottom border will be like this. It's a peacock. Okay, they have given the peacock, and the entire body sari will be like this, and this is the pallu. See, the pallu also they have given the peacock. Okay, see, this is the peacock motifs, and the blouse will come plain. This is the blouse. It's very beautiful sari. Just fast who are required, just take a screenshot and come to WhatsApp, because immediately it's a fast moving saris. Okay, so once again I'll show you the entire view. See, the full sari looks like this. Okay, upper part border will be small border, and the down, this is the border. and the pallu is this. Blouse will be plain. This is the sari number 2 and the price is just 1650. Okay, this is just 1650. So just whoever required, just take a screenshot and come to WhatsApp. This is the sari, how it looks. The sari number 2. Hi Ponnu, thanks for joining Geet's collection. Hi Suman, hi Bhagya, thank you so much for joining Geet's collection. So this is the sari number 2. Okay, so we'll move on to next sari. This is sari number 3. So I know the so many people like this kalamkari saris, right? So this sari comes very it's a transparent sari. When you drape it, this sari, it's look very fantastic. Okay, this is linen cotton, because original linen cotton will come transparent only. This is the black okay, one second. Okay, this is the black linen sari, and this is the sari. Either side they have given the yellow with the silver border. Okay, and down part they have given the, see, they have given the animals, tree, and down part they have given the peacock, and you can see the design over upper part also. See, the peacock they have given, and so many they have given the dolls over here. See, I will show the entire view of the sari, how it looks. See, this is the sari. Okay, so either side they have given the border, and the middle part of the sari will be fully black, and this is the pallu. Okay, see, it's a very beautiful pallu. It's a kalamkari cotton sari, linen, kalamkari linen cotton sari. Okay, see how lovely are these designs. See, okay, and they have given beautiful blouse. So this is the blouse part. It's very beautiful sari. This is the sari number 3, and the price is 1500. Okay, this is the sari number 3, and the price is just 1300. It's a linen cotton kalamkari design. See, I'll show the entire view of the sari. Okay, so whoever required, just come to WhatsApp. Okay, hi Ramya, thanks for joining to Geet's collection. Hi Aarti, thanks for joining Geet collection. So this is sari number 3. Okay, we'll move on to next sari. Okay, this is sari number 4. This is also one of the hit sari, I can say, because this is sari number 4. This is also, it's a kalamkari, no sorry, this is the Chanderi sari with kalamkari print. Okay, this is Chanderi sari with the kalamkari print. See, this is the sari, how it looks. So if you drape the sari, then only the sari looks very beautiful. See, this is the entire sari, They have given all full saree kalamkari design. Okay, either side also they have given the kalamkari design and peacock motifs in the border. Okay, peacock. Sorry, this is a fish motifs. They have given the fish motifs, and they have given the creeper design here. And the entire body they have given the creeper design, kalamkari design. Okay, and this is the pallu. See, it's very rich pallu. See, it's very beautiful. I think you can able to see the design. Okay, and this is the border. Sorry, this is the blouse. Okay, the blouse will be like this. So hi Vinu, how are you? Thanks for joining Geet's collection. Hi Twinkle, how are you? After a long time. Thanks for joining Geet's collection. So those who are seeing first time, please like and share the page. So this is the kalamkari sarees. It's very beautiful. This is a kalamkari chanderi silk, and this is the how it looks, the pallu. Okay, this is the sari number 4, just 1,600. Just 1,600. See, I'll show you the entire view of the sari. This is the how it looks. Okay, the cost of this sari is just 1,600. This is sari number 4. So we'll move on to next sari. Okay, this is also one of the hit sari. Okay, this is the Banaras sari. This also, it's a very lovely color. It's a maroon color. So first sari will be the dry wash. Okay, all the saris should be dry wash only. So easy to maintain, easy to drape. Okay. See, this is the sari, how it looks. This is the border. Okay. Okay, this is the Banaras sari. I think this sari is very trendy nowadays. So see, the whole body they have given the golden, they have weaved. Okay, they have weaved, and this is the border. The down part they have given the floral design motifs. See, golden thread. Okay, and the entire body is like this. It's very soft. Sari is very soft texture, and this is the pallu. It's very rich pallu. Okay, and the blouse will be brocade. This is the blouse. Blouse will be brocade. Okay, so whoever required, just take a screenshot. So I'll show the back process also. See, so thread will not come. See, it's very soft. It's very nice sari. So upper part there is no border. So just one line they have given, the maroon line, and the down is this one, like this. Okay. So this is the entire sari, looks like this. This is the sari number 5. The cost of this sari is 1,950. Okay, so whoever required, just come to WhatsApp. I have pinned my WhatsApp number in the Facebook. The sari number 6. It's It's a lovely color, lavender color. It's a cotton silk. It's a cotton silk sari. So this is the lavender color. So most of the, because this color you will never get it, because most of the 99% ladies, they will ask lavender color. It's a very rare color sari. See, it's very so I mean there is no this is the borderless sari. Okay, the full saris is like this. They have given the copper motifs. The whole sari will be coming the copper motifs. Okay, floral design, and there is no border. See, so either side there is no border. This is the borderless sari, and this is the copper weaving, and the pallu is like this. See, pallu is rich. Pallu is like this, and this is the jacquard blouse. This is the jacquard blouse. Okay, this is dry wash, and it's very sari is very soft texture, so easy to drape. So once again I will show the entire look of the sari. This is the sari, how it looks. Okay, this is the lavender color, and this is the pallu. Okay, so whoever required, just take a screenshot and come to WhatsApp. Okay, the price of the sari is 1850. Sari number 6. 1850. Sari number 6. So we'll move on to next sari. This is sari number 7. This is a silk sari. Okay, it's a lovely yellow color. Yellow and pink is a lovely combination. And one second. This is a silk sari, okay? Yeah. This is silk sari. It's not a cotton silk. The Kanjivaram silks and all is there, no? So in that thread they have given, I mean they have made this sari. So it's very lovely yellow. Really don't miss like this saris and all. It should be in your wardrobe. See, they have given the embroider. See, they have made the embroider on the sari. It's a very lovely embroider. See, I can show near to this one. Okay, so the entire sari looks like this. There is no border. This is also borderless, and there is no pallu also. Okay, the whole sari will come like this. This is a silk sari, and the price is this one. Okay, the price is 2500. Sari number 7. Sari number 7. The price is 2500. Okay, this is the silk sari. See, this is the sari, how it looks. Because this cost will go only for the embroider work. See how lovely they have embroidered. The whole sari they have done the embroider. Okay, this is the sari, how it looks. It's a beautiful yellow color. Okay, and this sari price is 2500. It's a silk sari. Okay, we'll move on to next sari. 8. This sari number is 8. Okay, it's rust orange color, and okay, this is the sari how it looks. They have done the meenakari work in the border. See, they have done the meenakari work in the border. I mean, see. Okay, the either side they have given the same design only, and the full the body is orange color, and they have given the mango golden motifs. Okay, and they have given the paitani pallu. See, it's very rich paitani pallu. So if you want to go for the function or any party or festival, you can drape the sari. It's look like real silk sari. Okay, this is the paitani pallu. So the entire sari looks like this. See. Okay. It's very nice, and this is the paitani pallu, and blouse will be green color, and they have given the golden border also. Okay, this is the sari how it looks. When you drape the sari, it's awesome, really. Don't miss this type of saris and all, because they have given the paitani pallu, and it's very reasonable price, just 1,850. Okay, the price of this sari is just 1,850. It's a very rich look paitani pallu. Okay, this is the sari how it looks. This is the sari number is 8, and price is 1,750. Okay, so just whoever required, just come to WhatsApp. Okay, so we'll move on to next sari. This is the sari number 9. This is a pure cotton with a Pochampalli design. Okay, see, you can see this. Okay, so this is a pure cotton. It's a pure cotton. It's a pure cotton sari. Either side they have given the golden border. Okay, either side they have given the golden border. See, and they have given the Pochampalli pallu. Okay, this is the it's a double tone sari. It's a double tone sari. It's a pinkish, orange, and red. All three colors mixed. It's very lovely color. Don't miss this type of sari. It's a cotton sari. Either side they have given the golden border, and this is the Pochampalli pallu. Pochampalli design they have given the pallu, and the border, I mean the blouse will, they have given the Pochampalli blouse. Right? Yes. Pochampalli blouse. Okay, this is the entire look of the sari. I'll show the full sari view. See, this is the sari. So once again I'll show the either side they have given the golden border, and this is the Pochampalli pallu. Okay, so those who are required, just take a screenshot and come to WhatsApp. Okay, the price of this sari is just 1,300. Okay, it's very reasonable price. Don't miss the sari. The price of this sari is just 1,300. Sari number 9. Okay, see, it's very lovely sari. So we'll move on to next sari. This is sari number, keep it here. This is sari number 10. So it's a cotton silk sari. This is a mustard color. So I will show you in single fleet only. It's not that much transparent. It's very, see, it's very lovely sari. This, it's a mustard color. Okay. See, this either side they have given the short and long border. Okay, and body they have they have given the embroider work. See, I'll show the embroider. They have done the embroider work here. See. Okay, and a small round embroider thread work they have done. So this is the sari, how it looks. This is the cotton silk sari. Okay. See, this is the sari. And show the entire view of the sari, how it looks. See. This is the sari. Okay. And this is the border. Sorry, this is the pallu. This is the pallu. Okay. And the blouse they have given jacquard blouse. So this is the blouse. Okay, the price of this sari is just 1,550 rupees. This is sari number 10. Okay, the price of this sari is just 1,550. Sari number is 10. Okay, it's a lovely sari. See, if you drape this sari, it's really, it looks awesome, and color is very lovely. It's a mustard color. Okay, this is the sari number 10, and this is the last sari. Okay, so I have shown totally 10 saris. So whichever you like, just come to WhatsApp, and shipping will be additional. Okay, those who are buying the sari, shipping will be extra. Okay, and I want to show this set because I am selling the imitation jewelry, oxidized jewelries also. Every Wednesday 3:30 will be live, both in Facebook and Instagram. So this is the lovely set. The cost of this set is 4,270. See, it's very lovely jhumka. Okay, but it's not heavy. Okay, it's a lightweight. It's very lovely. So see, I'll show the close-up. Okay, this is Dasavatara necklace. They given the full Dasavatara. So all stonework they have done. The cost of this set is 4,270. So whoever require, just pick me. Okay, so thank you so much. So whoever are watching first time live, please like and share, and inform to your friends and family so that they can also watch our live, and they can buy our products. So that's all for now. Thank you so much. I'm signing off. Geeta Suresh.